Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Dodge Ram 1500 transmission control module. First, park your truck on a level surface and engage the parking brake. This ensures your safety while working. Next, gather your tools. You'll primarily need a wrench to access the battery terminals. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and efficient. This simple reset can often resolve minor transmission issues. Now, let's move to the battery. Locate your truck's battery, typically found under the hood. Using your wrench, carefully disconnect the negative battery cable first. This is a crucial safety step to prevent electrical shorts. After that, proceed to disconnect the positive battery cable. Ensure both cables are completely separated from the battery terminals to proceed with the reset. With both cables disconnected, it's time to drain any residual power. Carefully touch the disconnected positive and negative battery cables together. Hold them in contact for at least 30 seconds. This action effectively drains any remaining electrical charge in the system, which is essential for clearing the transmission control module's learned memory and resetting its parameters. This step is key to a successful reset. Finally, reconnect your battery. Attach the positive cable first, then the negative cable. Ensure they are secure. Start your Dodge Ram 1500 and let it idle for about 10 minutes. This allows the transmission control module to begin its relearning process. After idling, drive your truck normally, varying speeds and acceleration for about 15 to 20 minutes. This helps the TCM adapt to your driving style. Also, for more great tips and deals, check the description below for a book that can truly change how you think about money, plus other helpful resources.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.